Snapchat has a feature called Snapchat Lens Studio which allows users to create their own augmented reality (AR) lenses and filters for Snapchat. You can use this feature to create an AI-powered lens or filter that can interact with users in various ways. Here are the steps to access your AI on Snapchat using Snapchat Lens Studio. Download and install Snapchat Lens Studio on your computer. It is available for Windows and Mac. Open Snapchat Lens Studio and choose the New Project option. Choose the type of lens or filter you want to create. There are several options available, including Face Lens, World Lens, and Image Marker. Once you have selected the type of lens or filter, you can start creating your AI-powered effects. You can add 3D objects, animations, and interactive elements to your lens or filter. To add AI functionality, you can use the Script tab in the Lens Studio. You can use JavaScript or Lua scripting languages to add AI functionality to your lens or filter. Once you have created your lens or filter, you can test it in the Lens Studio before submitting it to Snapchat for approval. To access your AI-powered lens or filter on Snapchat, you will need to publish it on the Snapchat Lens Studio. Once approved, you can share your lens or filter with your friends and followers on Snapchat. It is important to note that creating an AI-powered lens or filter can be challenging and requires some programming knowledge. However, there are many tutorials and resources available on the Snapchat Lens Studio website to help you get started.